Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best plant gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful and enduring ways to show someone you care, offering a living token of appreciation that grows and thrives just like your relationship. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, a holiday, or just want to brighten someone's day, selecting the perfect plant gift requires a blend of understanding the recipient's personality, their living space, and the level of plant parenting commitment they're ready for, ensuring your present brings joy and a touch of nature into their home for years to come. Number 5. Plant Watering Globes Set of 6. Introducing our set of 6 plant watering globes, designed to make plant care simple and convenient. These beautiful glass bulbs are crafted to help your plants thrive. Each globe holds 100 milliliters of water, providing up to 5 days of irrigation. This helps maintain optimal soil moisture, giving you peace of mind. Our self-watering bulbs ensure your plants receive the precise amount of water they need, preventing overwatering and promoting healthy root development. Your plants will stay vibrant and well cared for. These versatile watering devices are perfect for both indoor and outdoor plants. Simply fill them with water and insert them into the soil for automatic hydration. Going on vacation or just have a busy schedule? These globes are the perfect solution to keep your plants healthy and hydrated while you're away or occupied. Each watering globe is handcrafted from durable glass, adding a touch of elegance to your plant arrangements. They are designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. What we like? This set of 6 watering globes is perfect for those who want to ensure their plants stay hydrated for several days. They are handcrafted from glass and can provide up to 5 days of watering. If you are often away on short trips or have a busy lifestyle, these are a great choice to keep your plants happy and healthy. What people say. This is a great gift for plant lovers. It is very easy to use and assemble. The plant stand is very sturdy and looks great in my living room. I love that it comes with a watering can and a small trowel. It has everything you need to get started with your plants. Number 4. Cat Lady's Organic Cat Grass Growing Kit. Your cat deserves the best nutrition. Our blend of organic wheat, oat, barley, and rye grass adds essential fiber to their diet for healthy digestion and natural hairball control. Growing this healthy treat is simple. Just add water to the soil disc, sprinkle the seeds, and watch it sprout up to 4 inches in just 4 to 7 days. No special skills needed. Our organic and GMO-free cat grass is not only good for your pet, but it also helps deter them from eating toxic houseplants or digging up your favorite flowers. This planter is more than just a way to grow grass, it's a cute piece of decor. It keeps your feline friend healthy and happy while adding a touch of green to your living space. Inside the box, you'll find a charming white cat planter, a soil disc, organic edible grass seeds, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need to get started is right here. What we like? This kit offers an organic blend of seeds for your feline friends, including wheat, oat, barley, and rye. It comes with a charming cat planter, soil, and easy instructions. If you're a cat owner looking for a safe and healthy way to supplement your cat's diet and deter them from chewing on toxic plants, this is the ideal solution. What people say. The kit comes with everything that is needed. The planter it came with is super adorable and of good quality. The seeds are great and almost all, if not all, germinated. The soil disc is very easy to use, just add water and watch it puff up. The seeds only took a day or 2 to start germinating and a few days more to get a lush amount of grass. The grass seeds sprout easily and my cat enjoys eating it. It looks adorable in my living room and is a plant that she can eat, so the only real plant I have. Most plants are toxic to cats. I love it so much that I bought it as a gift for my daughter and Asael's cats for Christmas. It's such a cute idea, and there are also refill kits that come with it. Number 3. Bonsai Tree Kit. Discover the captivating art of bonsai. This kit makes it easy for anyone to grow their own beautiful miniature trees, symbolizing balance and life. Each tree carries a symbolic message of beauty and life. They are a thoughtful choice for any milestone, offering a unique and creative gift. These living sculptures are unusual and captivating, perfect for birthdays or anniversaries. They elevate any office or home with natural charm. Admired as symbols of harmony and inspiration, they are a perfect way to celebrate new beginnings. More than just a plant, they are living sculptures. Add elegance to any interior with these unique plants. Sustainably sourced and reusable, they combine sophistication with eco-friendly design. Their artistic forms promote mindfulness and inner growth. They provide a natural way to relieve stress and lift the spirit, creating a calming atmosphere. Experience the wisdom and beauty of distant gardens. Each rare variety is a treasure, offering endless moments of aesthetic appreciation and harmony. What we like. This kit allows you to grow 4 beautiful bonsai trees, perfect for adults interested in a unique DIY hobby. Each tree symbolizes balance, beauty, and life, making it a thoughtful gift. If you're looking for a creative and calming activity that results in living works of art for your desk or windowsill, this is an excellent option. What people say. The instructions were pretty simple and it absolutely worked if you have patience. Patience is key. The bamboo pots and water holder are perfect for the plants, heads up. You may end up with more than 4 trees. Great starter bonsai kit for beginners. The package was a little smaller than I thought it would be, but it came with all the things you need. The instructions were easy to follow and we will see in a few weeks about the result. Number 2. YAMRON 4-in-1 Soil Moisture Meter. Introducing the YAMRON 4-in-1 Soil Moisture Meter, your ultimate tool for understanding your plant's needs. This device measures moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight intensity, helping you provide the best care for your green friends. Easily monitor your plant's environment with its large LCD screen and convenient backlight. It ensures clear visibility of all readings, even in low-light conditions, so you're always informed. Featuring the latest probe technology, it delivers quick and precise measurements of soil conditions. Simply insert the probe, wait a few seconds, and get the data you need to cultivate plants scientifically. Its user-friendly design makes plant care simple for everyone. The intuitive display and adjustable screen angle allow for comfortable and easy reading, no matter your gardening experience. Whether you're tending to indoor potted plants or managing a large outdoor garden, this tool is perfect for any setting. It's designed to help you achieve optimal growth wherever your plants are. Take the guesswork out of plant care. With accurate insights into your soil's condition, you can ensure your plants receive the right amount of water, light, and nutrients for healthy growth. What we like. This device offers a comprehensive 4-in-1 soil testing solution, measuring moisture, pH, temperature, and sunlight intensity. It features a large, backlit LCD screen for easy reading in any light condition. If you're a gardener, whether novice or experienced, who wants precise data to scientifically cultivate healthier plants, this tool provides the insights you need. What people say. This is the only digital soil meter on the market. All others utilize a magnetically operated needle that swings in front of 3 to 5 scales. As a result, the user gets rough estimates instead of actual numbers. The features proved accurate. On the temperature feature, I measured room air. The temperature was 1°F higher than my oven thermometer and room thermostat. Excellent. The moisture feature worked to perfection. It measured the potted soil at 20% dry. Examining the dirt, the moisture held the dirt in clumps, but it was relatively dry. Number 1. Little green leaf automatic plant watering globes. Tired of guessing when to water your plants? Our automatic watering globes ensure your plants get the hydration they need, exactly when they need it. Simply fill and insert for healthy, happy plants. Enhance your home decor with these beautifully crafted glass watering globes. Their elegant design complements any plant or indoor garden, while they work to keep your plants perfectly watered. Each globe is meticulously hand-blown from durable, high-quality glass. This ensures a long-lasting and beautiful addition to your plant care routine. Say goodbye to tedious watering cans and expensive self-watering planters. These globes offer an affordable, elegant, and efficient way to keep your plants hydrated automatically. Looking for a unique gift? These stylish watering bulbs come in beautiful packaging, making them an ideal present for any plant enthusiast or as a thoughtful housewarming gift. Going away? These self-watering globes provide steady moisture to your plants for up to 14 days, ensuring they stay healthy while you're gone. Perfect for houseplants, garden pots, and more. Crafted from eco-conscious materials, these watering stakes help regulate water flow, preventing overwatering and promoting healthy root growth. They are designed for busy plant parents and seasoned gardeners alike. What we like. These elegant, hand-blown glass watering globes automatically distribute water to your plants as the soil dries out. They can provide hydration for up to 14 days, making plant care effortless. If you appreciate both style and functionality, and want to ensure your indoor and outdoor plants remain healthy with minimal daily effort, these decorative globes are a perfect fit. What people say. This is a great gift for plant lovers. It is a beautiful and well-made plant pot. The plant pot is very sturdy and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.